Alright, gang.
You want that
So,
plate? See if you can fit that in there?
that'll fit. So what we had, we pulled up, condenser not running, compressor on and off. As soon as we got up here, no fan, motor burned out, and in the back here, this was completely clogged. So we had no airflow through this at all. I mean, it's basically a blanket. So it's been a while, so just make sure you get all your debris through that in the trash here. But we're going to put a new 50 watt 208 fan motor back on with a new blade, because the blade actually fell apart too. So, but that's what we got today. Not too bad, pretty easy. I guess we really don't have to take you through. I mean, it's just a bracket. We went through this on other videos. Just going to throw a bracket, rewire it in, and then make sure you got the right direction fan blade. It's either clockwise or counterclockwise. This is clockwise. And that's going to do this one for today.